going to show you an entire post, a long post which you will see on my YouTube channel, how to make a smoothie. I know many people know how to make a smoothie, but first of all what I'll do is, anar, like pomegranate, is actually a very good antioxidant. It's an anti-inflammatory. To reduce blood pressure. So it's a readily available local fruit. It's not very expensive. So a lot of times people struggle to eat it too much because of the seeds, especially children, right? So what I do is I add it in smoothies, but when I add it in smoothies just like that, the seeds remain. So I quickly blend it to just about take out the seeds. And if you have any kind of just a mesh cloth, any cloth, the cloth you make paneer in, you just kind of take it out and rinse off my my juicer. I just rinse it off like that, so I got all the seeds out. Right, and sorry, just rinsing off this juicer so I don't have seeds in my juice. Now I have always made quick videos on how to make juices, chop, and it's been 1-minute videos. So today, the reason I take some time to make a long video to show you how simple it is to eat a bowl of fruit in the morning. Now, I was just talking to a client who is on my new Detox 4 program, and this is the first day, and she had this beautiful fruit plate, which I suggest in my program for the morning breakfast. And it was nice fruit like dragon fruit, oranges, kiwi, and then after eating it she said, I cannot eat so much fruit. So I told her, guess what, we can drink fruit if we cannot eat it. So a good way to be able to take some fruit in. A lot of times we cannot give children too many fruit, or maybe elderly parents will not eat too many fruit. So what I say is, if you can slice up some fruit, every home has a blender like this. So just slice up the fruit, dragon fruit is easily available. It is also grown locally, right? So you can have the red ones, the white ones. Again, dragon fruit is also an antioxidant. It is not so high in sugar, so less fructose in this fruit. And then I put some oranges as well, and so it's just I buy these tiny oranges. Number one is because they're sweet. It's easier for children to eat sweeter fruit than and they're small, so they can eat one orange, and then I can make smoothies easily because I don't need to peel the seeds out. Even with children, you give them, what my point is, some of this fruit might be a little expensive, but the goal is to make our children eat some fruit, right? Now when we eat only bananas, apples, pears and grapes, it's a very high fructose. Of course, we have a lot of seasonal fruit, so please go ahead and eat seasonal fruit and vegetable. I am a strong believer of seasonal fruit and vegetable. Now we are getting into the season where we will get tons of fruit and vegetables from our country itself, from various places of the North India and stuff like that. So I eat fruit from local fruit. When local fruit is not available, as in the right now, oranges are not available, but they are available in the market, so I buy them because easier for children to snack on them. They're sweet, they don't have seeds, and it's very easy for me to make a smoothie as well. So I put a few oranges. Now what I do is, this is easy for me. Now this is anar juice, right? And all the seeds are in the mesh. So I got just the pomegranate juice. Is it better to eat the whole pomegranate? I think so. I just show you ways where you can make children eat or older people eat. So I will put some pomegranate juice in this. Pomegranate is excellent because it is an anti-inflammatory, it is an antioxidant. So I also, many people nowadays are using chia seeds. So this is how I use some chia seeds. You can put 2-3 tablespoons of chia seeds. Now, as you know, every smoothie I will add an all plant protein powder because I use it as a snack, and when it's just fruit, it is only carbohydrate. So what I do is I use a plant-based protein to add 1 or 2 scoops of protein in it, right? So like that, it is a balanced snack, right? So I have everything in, I think, and you can also add some almond milk in it, some coconut milk in it, coconut oil, yes. Now I like using, this is local coconut oil, we have plenty in our country, so I will put maybe a tablespoon or 2 of coconut oil, right? So you know, just kind of add a little bit if you can, like this, and I will blend it together. It's easy, it's tasty, and see, so you got all the fiber in it, you got fruit in it. So here we got how many types of fruit? 1, 2, and 3. You could add a kiwi. That's all I had at home today, actually. You could add a banana to it, you could add a kiwi to it. You know, just try and put 5 colors in the smoothie. And wow, this is good. This is really good. More importantly, it has chia seeds, which has high in good fats, high in fiber, very good fiber source, chia seeds, soaked chia seeds. It also has a lot of protein. Also we have the coconut oil, cold pressed coconut oil, wood pressed, it doesn't matter. We have lots of fiber from our fruit, you know, we got good colors. I mean, I'm surprised, the red color just blend into everything else. I think this took the color of most of it, right? Now I also add a protein powder that is just to make this smoothie a protein rich smoothie. So it is such a balanced snack. This is a type of snack I give to my children when they have a class break. So when I make a smoothie like this, my daughter is right now in her class, I just go and put this glass next to her. She drinks it because it's tasty, it fills her up, and the craving for junk food is much less when you have a smoothie like this. So eat fruit however you can, eat any fruit, but try to eat at least 5 to 7 servings of fruit every single day. If this video is helpful, hit the share button and share it with a friend.